Hey guys, look at this crap. So removed some of the paint here because there was some weird stuff that was bubbling up. And someone just decided it was okay to put Bondo on rust. Look at that. Pretty crazy. I mean, I blasted this portion out and I was like, oh, look at that. But then come back and you can kind of see these are the bubbles that were coming up in the paint right here because the water's getting from the back side of the Bondo and creating water between the Bondo and the paint and causing it to rust even more. But yeah, the bottom half looks pretty good. I'm really surprised, but this is crazy. We're gonna cut this out. I kind of got a rough line. I'm just gonna kind of cut this whole section out. Looks rough, but cool.
Hey, let's go. Freedom. Freedom. What? I need you. Baby, I'm falling for you. Baby, I'm falling for you. Baby, I'm falling for you. What? I need you. Baby, I'm falling for you. Baby, I'm falling for you. Baby, I'm falling for you. Baby, I am 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 falling for you. I need you. Freedom. What? I need you. Baby, I'm falling for you. Baby, I'm falling for you. Baby, I'm falling for you.
All right, guys, got it all ready. Just gonna put some primer on it tomorrow, so stay tuned. More to come. Cool, guys. Hit subscribe. Check out more of my videos, and we'll continue along with this in the next day or so.